Myntri Rangbah du ke Jylla konrat ke sangma minta ke situ dia sepau tere kelalin kon arjarpsan ulawan men play perdai ke sisdang jong ke Jingrakhe dap sispa Snem ni ke centenary jubilee celebration ke Dorbar Shnong Chutwakhu Jowai ha ke Jinglang la pelong hamadan Jerusalem Jowai ha ke ni ke sina wan men don lang do sembut Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla umas nyau bhalang dhar MLA bat ma wailat miki Jylla MLA ubadeiru chairman kamuda kum kisembut kongsan kibla airu ke jingero ke bakrau ke Dorbar Shnong Chutwakhu kabala jamenta shadu umaumer ba shispa kiwede ki debat donlang ki kentup yoma lakmen rumboy MLA ki officer sarkar na lor kiwede kibla shakot ngobha nakalyang konrat ke sangma haba jingkran hakani gesi ulapan pau ke jingero ya ki nong yelam barim jong ka Shnong bat kumju ya ki bamenta ki ba la penya shakhman ya ki kam ki jam hadu bala poi kani ke jingdap shispa Snem ha ko jo ko por la jingero ya kani ke Shnong ka bala don menta ha ki por bayokun ya ka klam COVID-19 da ka ba sinyang jingerap hadu san pho hajar tingka shaka chief ministers relief fund u Myntri Rangbah ulapan pauru ke jingero ya ka sor jowai kabala ipu iping bha minta na ka jingpen kre ka Meghalaya games ka ban salong hauniu benai da ka baong ha kini gi Snem bala dep ki rang yele kai na jowai ki ba hab ban let yushim benta kum shatura bat shashilok Henry ha kani ka Snem ki te ki nong yele kai na ki wei pat ki district ki nyolan banwan yele kai shjowai ha kani ka si kum kadak banyarap ki sports club bat ki association na po ko West Giant Hills district ki ban pan kre ya ka jingele kai paper ha kani ka Meghalaya games Myntri Rangbah ula IT hau MLA ma wailat miki Jylla ya ka check ka ba mar shilak tingka sha ki arpwaitli ki sports clubs bat ki association nakalyang Myntri Rangbah ula penheru ya kalama jong ka Shnong kum kadak jong ka jingsdang ban rakhe da ka ba penpana padba bala play ya kani ke Jingrakhe centenary jubilee celebration bar haju kapor ula play perda yu mau sanam jong kani ke Jingrakhe
Plie.
Song de yo recommend le so ha kodong di dap spa Snem hadai kini jan woro ki founders ki nong bo ki nong sen ya kini Shnong ladam em di jan hani le boy dang em gile ko good lights kwan umlai ugram jan yulti kam tami ju mem di lamba ka Jingrakhe yo ki jan daman ke Jylla luti ni ke chong ko job ke jingku play ko karapang nakalim diyo nga ya ki presence member nado ke committee yung Shnong yung ki committee yung Senman bay ki Sengendro yung wala ko bentalang ngani celebrations sao tu yu jngai bi wa kamon bukan moi ya yo hai ko sen de bo wat kam jo yu hai ko mem di han ki sla parthai ngana o yo ma pilan ne la khanyau Snem mana melia dan nit lemba kelang program mo yo ulai kamu ni program ko dap spa sendu ke sona sa ko men wem lang opini to ad yusu yo tanad la ke Shnong ko em kata responsibility hakileng waro ini wadat em kam Snem tam hawa hanan dangwan ke proposal no em ni yung pira kat member Shnong yo ke Jylla no ba Shnong lam to ro pakala jan de sanction han ni chong kamun nya paula ko anan jan o toilet di wini nag na department yo nga kawi yo upi wamani wadang handro yo ang dynamics leader so yo chong sim do tia si wajo pendo tia dia secretary ta iwe makachuki ni hai poro wani mar de blani helicopter so wani chini chimadan.
We have always made sure that the games must rotate to different parts of the state and not be confined to one particular location. Because we want infrastructure in sports to develop everywhere. Because we want the youth of those areas and regions to be excited about the games, participate in the games, and maybe win medals also in the games. We would like to see that there is a strong integration between the different communities of our state. Last time, the contingents from Jylla Hills, Khasi Hills had gone to Tura. Maybe it was for the first time that some of the youths had seen Garo Hills. Today, our youth from Garo Hills and different parts of Khasi Hills will be coming and spending time with the people of Jylla Hills and Jawai. Maybe it will be for the first time that they will be coming to Jawai. It will be a beautiful occasion to exchange our cultures, understand our cultures, work together in harmony, and what better way than to bring people together than through sports. And that is the reason why today we are investing. I would use the word investing, not expenditure. Investing in our youth. The money we will spend for the Meghalaya Games will reap benefits for years to come. As our compere had mentioned in her opening remarks, that if your vision is for 1 year, plant seeds. If your vision is for 10 years, plant trees. But if your vision is for eternity, plant people. We are investing in our youth because we are looking at the future of our state. And I'm very happy to see the kind of work that our headman, who is also the chairman of the municipal board, our local MLA, Mawaila, and the entire administration and department and the community as a whole has done to ensure that they leave no stone unturned to make these games one of the best games that not just this region but the state as a whole will come to see. So I wish these games the very best. I also would like to give a small contribution to the different associations. I know there are about 21 active associations of different sports here in West Jylla Hills, and you'll have a lot of expenditure trying to organize the different games. I may not be able to give much from my side, but I am contributing 1 lakh rupees to each of the associations. There are 21 of them, so there's a 21 lakh rupees checks are here in my hand. I would like to hand this over to our local MLA, Mabailat Mikishela, so that he can further give these checks to the different associations so that they can prepare for the coming Meghalaya Games.